125. At this stop, the doors will open on the right side of the tram.
Yeah, it's the best one.
Change here for route 96. This will be the last stop. Thank you for travelling with Aerotrams.
Maybe go to Bay Street.
The next stop is Southampton Tram Depot. Stop 125A. At this stop, the doors will open on the left side of the tram.
I told the engine we put off from here.
This stop
And that was
is
so happy. So just
Southampton
walk through
Tram
the ramp.
Depot. Stop 125A.
So all weekend, there's no tram stop there. So whatever's about, there's not many trams going to St Kilda either. So there's only 2 trams. No, not down. It's that route. Have DGs in there. It's awful.
The next stop is Montague Street. Stop 126. This stop is Montague Street. Stop 126. The next stop is Northport. Stop 127. This stop is Northport. Stop 127. The next stop is Graham Street. Stop 128. This stop is Graham Street. Stop 128.
Shut up, it's only 10:30.
Having nothing here, it's shit.
Not even a coffee.
No, I'm not sitting outside there. It's depressing the most here.
But,
Depressing place ever.
The next stop is Beacon Cove. Stop 129. This will be the last stop. Thank you for travelling with Yarra Trams.
Oh, that was quick. That didn't take long. It's an awful day. It's supposed to hold us 9 degrees.